What's up? I'm gonna make a white mocha today. Double shot, of course. Double shot is in, I'm measuring out like 18 beans, not a double shot drink. So I'm gonna measure out the 18. I'm also gonna, I have my setting at 7 right now. I'm gonna go down to 8. I mean, go up to 8 for the grind size. Going to use our wonderful Starbucks cup for the drink today. I swear I haven't been to Starbucks in many, many months. It has been a very long time since I've been to a Starbucks. Alright, feels good. Good tamp. Just make sure we're nice and leveled out there. And I was about to do a double, but we'll split it. Nope. Looks really good. Yeah, it's like perfect. I also wanted to show these off. These are like glue dispensers, but a lot of like specialized shops or whatever use these for latte art as well. You saw it before when I was using the Hershey's bottle. Like it was coming out, like it was way too large of a line coming out, and it was just like sinking in. So you get like a fine tip like this. That's how you fix it. So hopefully I can show that off with this. Wow, that shot is amazing. It's a little bit over extracted, but I'd rather have that rather than too sour. I can handle over extracted, I can't handle too sour. Alright, let's get a ton of foam on this one. Oh, I forgot to add the white mocha. I'll add it in just a second. So I'm going for nothing but air right here, just to get the finish, really. Cool. Got a little crazy at the end, but it's okay. Trickling off a little good. Oh yeah, white mocha. I put just under a full pump of white mocha in here for this cup. Should be perfect. Trying to save some of that foam. Come on, maybe I can save it. Alright, that's a good enough base. So let me show you all what I mean about using one of these. It's a lot easier than using the normal like Hershey's bottle. All right, so let me just move some things around real quick. All right, so kind of a circle we got going on here, so we'll go ahead and do that. We'll do outer circle first. Oh, there's air in there. Interesting. All right, make sure you purge the air. And this is like a lot easier to control. So much easier to control. Then we'll do the inner. Perfect. You see how it never sinks? That's because of how narrow that opening is. Then we'll go out. I found that doing it slowly helps. Then in. Check that out. There you all have it. That is a white mocha made with the chocolate latte art. I don't know what you call it exactly. There's probably a name for it, but let's call it chocolate latte art for now. Look at that. All right. Thank y'all for watching as always.